नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सुभाष है। मैं गुड़गांव से रहने वाला हूँ। मेरे बच्चे का जब सर्दी जुकाम हुआ, बुखार हुआ, हमने लोकल डॉक्टर के पास ले गए दिखाने। उसने दवा दी, फिर लेके आए, फिर भी कोई आराम नहीं हुआ। फिर दोबारा ले गए, फिर भी कोई आराम नहीं हुआ। फिर हमने डॉक्टर के पास ले गए, उसने सारा CT स्कैन किया तो उसने कहा कि ये बीमारी है, बच्चे के दिल में छेद है, नस की प्रॉब्लम है। पता चला कि सर्वोदय हॉस्पिटल सेक्टर 8 फरीदाबाद में है, वहाँ चले जाओ, वहाँ इलाज हो जाएगा बच्चे का। हमने वहाँ से लेकर आया यहाँ पे डॉक्टर वेद प्रकाश से। फिर हमने इलाज के बारे में बताया अपने बच्चे के बारे में कि ऐसे ऐसे कंडीशन है हमारे बच्चे की। उसने कहा कि ठीक, घबराने की कोई बात नहीं, सही हो जाएगा बच्चा। फिर हमने बुलाया, डेट दी है कि हाँ इतने तारीख को आना, आपका ऑपरेशन हो जाएगा बच्चे का। हमने लेके आया, हमारे बच्चे का ऑपरेशन हो गया, हमारा बच्चा सक्सेस हुआ, ऑपरेशन सक्सेस हुआ, ठीक हो गया हमारा बच्चा।
I am Dr. Viresh Mahajan, Director Pediatric Cardiac Sciences at Sarvodaya Hospital, Faridabad. We recently operated a 4-month-old child named Aditya, who was a case of a very complex heart defect in the form of transposition of great arteries with large VSD, with severe pulmonary arterial hypertension. He was weighing just 4 kg and was having very severe pulmonary arterial hypertension and is considered a late presenter at this age. So this requires a very complex arterial switch operation with VSD closure, and the mortality is one of the most complex heart surgeries in pediatric cardiac surgeries, and mortality and morbidity is quite high in these cases. But this could be successfully done and we could discharge the patient within 7 days of operation. And the good thing about this operation is that the long-term outcome and the lifespan is normal. So we have a dedicated pediatric cardiac team with a dedicated pediatric cardiac surgeon, pediatric cardiac intensivist and cardiac anesthetist, which is very important for the outcomes in these patients.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर वेद प्रकाश, सीनियर कंसल्टेंट कार्डियोथोरेसिक वेस्कुलर सर्जरी डिपार्टमेंट in Sarvodaya Hospital. As sir discussed, we have operated a very high risk patient of transposition of great artery, and surgery went well. Patient was discharged in next 7 to 8 days, and post-op course is quite uneventful. So arterial switch operation is a kind of surgery which is performed in very few centers. We are one of the hospitals which can perform these kinds of surgeries. So we can provide good cardiac care for pediatric to geriatric age group of patients.
I am Dr. Aman Jyoti. I am here senior consultant of cardiac anesthesia and pediatric cardiac intensive care. So as sir told, this is one of the very high risk surgery and it is done in a very few centers. We have a very highly skilled team of doctors, nurses and technicians which could take care of the baby very well. This surgery takes a very long time on a heart-lung machine which can cause high percentage of complications. But with very fine care we could avoid all that, and in many cases the chest is kept open in many centers so as to avoid the decrease in the heart function after surgery. But we had to close the chest because we wanted to avoid the infection associated with the open chest, and for this we had to monitor the heart function daily many times, and with the very fine management skills of our nurses and doctors we could manage this case successfully and could discharge the patient in a very short time.